Okay, two lines can always form an angle regardless whether they intersect or skew. Okay, so of course when they intersect, you know, this is the angle that two lines will form together. Okay, but if they are skewed, one is on top of another, right? Yeah, here and here. This is like if you look at it from this way. But if you look at it from the top, right? Okay, looking at it this way, it does not meet. But when you look at it from the top, it will still be able to form an angle. Okay, and before we go to this, so always remember the definition of A dot B in vectors 1 is magnitude of A, magnitude of B cosine theta. And if we make cosine theta the subject, that would be equals to A dot B over magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Okay, so usually the angle between two lines, right, will always be acute. Okay, they will always want to find the acute angle between the angles between two lines. Then we cannot cosine inverse a negative number, so that's why when we dot product, right, it could be a negative value. So that's why we put a modulus down there, so that we always cosine inverse a positive value. Okay, calculate the angle between this line as well as the z-axis. So remember the z-axis, okay, has an equation of, you can write 0, 0, 0. I don't think it hurts to write 0, 0. Okay, plus lambda, z-axis means only got z, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so now when it comes to finding the angle between the two vectors, right, we are only concerned with using the direction. So that's why the formula is d1 dot d2 over magnitude of d1 magnitude of d2. Okay, so all you need to do is to take the direction vector 1, 3, 2, okay, dot 0, 0, 1. Okay, put a modulus here over the magnitude of 1 square plus 3 square plus 2 square. Okay, the magnitude of this will always be 1, okay, because it's just 1 square. So I'm going to dot the numerator, that's 2 over square root of 9, 14. Okay, so cosine theta is going to be equals to this. So to find the angle, you just need to find cosine inverse 2 over square root 14, and you will be able to get the answer. Okay, so for angles between two lines, okay, it is always acute, and just take the direction vector and apply the dot product formula, d1 dot d2 over magnitude of d1 magnitude of d2, okay, and then you can cosine inverse to get the answer.